You need your fleet vehicles to be up and running as safely and cost-effectively as possible for your business to make money. So imagine if there was an easy way to help prevent breakdowns, accidents, major repairs, and unauthorized use that lose you time, money, safety, productivity, and customer satisfaction. Meet Albertiq from Mike Albert Fleet Solutions, a proprietary best-in-class analytics platform that continuously monitors the mechanical health of your vehicles as well as when, where, and how long they're used and how they're driven. Albertiq uncovers critical issues in your fleet and sends prompt alerts, empowering you to resolve problems in their earliest stages. Here's how it works. To monitor the health of your vehicles, Albertiq uses the latest serverless technologies to consume, process, and interpret fleet telematics data and merges it with the expertise of our Mike Albert ASC certified maintenance team. Albertiq collects hundreds of mechanical diagnostics from your vehicles, crunches the data, and accepts 40 or more of the top items. It scores them in order of importance and cross-references information to uncover sources of problems. Then, it creates a real-time report on each vehicle's health and generates red tickets for urgent issues and yellow tickets for those that need attention soon. Open recall data is collected and ticketed as well. Our maintenance team reviews the tickets, consolidates the most important issues and recalls, and sends notifications to you and your drivers via emails and our Overdrive app. If services aren't completed in time, reminder notifications are sent. Albertiq also acquires data that shows when your drivers are not using your vehicles according to company guidelines. A report is sent to you when a trip is outside business hours and days, the number of authorized stops and trips in a day is exceeded, and the authorized distance and total trip time in a day is exceeded. Want to know how safe your drivers are being on the road? Albertiq compiles data on how your vehicles are driven and sends you a report in cases of speeding, seatbelt non-engagement, and harsh acceleration, cornering, and braking. Let's see the impact Albertiq can make in real life. Albertiq discovers a vehicle is overheating. Our maintenance team notifies the driver to get the issue fixed before serious damage occurs. The driver takes the vehicle to a repair shop where they find the thermostat needs to be replaced, costing $200. If the repair had not been done in time and the vehicle continued to overheat, a head gasket could have blown, costing $1,500 or more to replace. With Albertiq, you can prevent costly repairs like this, plus increase safety on the road, minimize driver downtime, ensure driver compliance, increase the life of your vehicles, maintain your vehicle's value for higher resale, prevent missed customer appointments, and protect your brand image. To learn more about Albertiq, visit mikealbert.com.